Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the incredible world of chemistry and how it affects our everyday lives. From the food we eat to the products we use daily, chemistry is everywhere around us. First, let's talk about food. Most of the ingredients we use in our cooking and baking come from chemicals. Vegetables and fruits are turned into juices and sauces through a process of extraction and concentration. Proteins are separated from carbohydrates and fats, and finally, the nutrients are combined to create the flavorful dishes we enjoy. All of these transformations are made possible by the power of chemistry. Now, let's move on to cleaning products. Did you know that most of the soaps and detergents we use to clean our homes are made from chemicals? These chemicals help to break down dirt and grime, making them effective at removing stains. Plus, they also help to create a fresh and clean scent in our homes. In our daily lives, we rely on chemistry in many ways. From the clothes we wear to the devices we use to communicate, everything we touch is a result of chemistry. Synthetic materials like nylon and plastic were not possible a few years ago, but now they are a part of our everyday lives. Furthermore, modern technology like smartphones and computers rely on complex chemical reactions to function. In conclusion, chemistry is an essential part of our everyday lives. It transforms the natural world into the things we use and enjoy. Whether it's in the food we eat, the cleaning products we use, or the technology we rely on, chemistry is always around us, making our lives easier and more convenient. So, the next time you use something in your daily routine, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work of scientists and chemists who made it possible.